Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Criterion skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the eye area first. So we're going to start out in the middle. It's one line across, and then we're just going to go out with a slant. Okay, so the slant is pretty steep. And then from here, we're going to draw in the little eye area, eyes. On the corner here, just kind of come down. And just follow the same curve and just draw like a little rectangle here. So come down, same slant, and then go straight up. Okay, and then once we have that, just come down in the middle here, draw another line across. And then we're going to go up. Same slant, and just kind of wrap it around the eye. So I'm going up, and then just go straight up. Okay, and then let's see, this gets a little bit tricky, but let's draw in the little mask right here first. So we're gonna come down, just kind of taper it in, and then we're gonna come across. Okay, so now let's draw in the rest of the face. So right on the corner here, on the side, we're just going to come down almost like a straight line. Okay, and then from here we're going to come pinch it in. And then we're just going to close it off flat on the bottom. Okay, and then from here, from this corner, just going to draw two lines coming down. And then finally here on the side, just draw like a little bit of a curve here on the corner, and then from this corner we're just gonna draw a slant going out. Okay, so that's pretty much the bottom of the head. So now let's draw in the top, and this one's a little bit easier. So for the top, we're just gonna go up, and then we're gonna slant it, and then come down to the middle here. Just draw like a little line right in the middle, and then now we just connect these. So we should have a nice little slant up here. And then for the top, we're just gonna close it off with a nice curve. And then for some details here, there's gonna be one curve here. And then over here, just draw one line across, slant down, and then we're just gonna go back up with the same curve as this one. I mean, same slant. Okay, and then finally some more detail right here. So around the corner of the eye, just curve all the way to the corner there. So from the corner of the eye, curve up. Alright, so that's pretty much for the head, and it was a little bit tricky. So now let's draw in the neck area. So right here, I'm gonna slant out. I'm gonna come in all the way down to the middle here. Okay, once you have that, then the next part is easy. We're just gonna give this whole line some thickness. Okay, and then for some detail here, this corner, just kind of draw two curves going down. Alright, so now let's draw in the shoulder area, and it kind of extends all the way back. So start in the corner, slant down, and then we're gonna come down straight. Then we're gonna curve in, so slanting more. Okay, and then slightly coming in, and just in the middle here, just give a little bit of a little indentation here. Alright, and then from here, we can come up right about from here to here, maybe right in the middle. We're just gonna draw one line across. And from this corner here, we're gonna connect to this corner to this corner. And then we're gonna take this corner, go all the way up, kind of same slant as this one. Okay, corner, slant. And then it's gonna have those three dials here. So this one's easy. We just gotta draw one circle in the middle. And then we'll draw two more, and one on each side. So we're just gonna come up here. Okay, and a little bit of detail here. You can draw on that here, this side, and then this one's gonna face this way. Alright, so it's a little bit different from all the other Fortnite characters, but this is a very cool looking mech. Alright, so let's fill in some details here. So on this 2 line here, we're just gonna come down, continue that, come in and just close it. And then from this corner, we just slant up slightly. Now we're gonna draw in the waist. So come back up here, we're gonna pinch it in on each side. And then we're gonna go out for the hip. Slant down. Okay, it's a lot of little slants here. And then come up straight. And then right here, just kind of go all the way up, same slant as this one. Alright, so yeah, it's a little bit tricky, so let's move on to the arms now. So on the side here, here's the armpit, we're gonna come out slightly. And then here's the shoulder, we're gonna come out, kind of to stop there, and just draw a little line like this. Come down, and we're gonna draw a line like that. So it's almost like a little V shape. And then here we're just gonna curve it. Okay, and then here's the shoulder. We're gonna continue this curve, just kind of go down. Okay, and then for the biceps here, just 2 long brackets, and we can just close that off. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, so let's move on to the other side first. So come across here, here's the armpit, and again, here's the shoulder going out, and then we're gonna draw 1 line, slant, use the other one as a reference, so it's slanting this way. Come down slightly, slant up, so it's like a U shape or a V, and then we'll just close this. And then here, we continue this curve, the shoulder, and then here for arm, bicep, curve, and then close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in the lower arms. So it's gonna be a little bit skinnier, so we can come out slightly, pinch it in, close it. And our fist is a little bit different too. So we're gonna come out here, draw 1 rectangle here, back of the fist, slant here, and then just close that off. And then from here, extend it, and then just tuck it in. So it's a very different fist because she's got some armor here. Alright, so other side, same thing, come out, curve in, close it. So we're gonna come out, rectangle here, back of the fist, come in, slant, and now we're gonna draw that little angle in there for the fingers. Okay, and then lastly, let's add in some details on the armor now. So here we can add in around the elbow, we're just adding 1 line. And then we draw another line here. And then for this one, we're gonna come down. Just follow that line, and there's a little panel here, so I'll just draw a line there. Okay, and then lastly, come across, slant down, and then actually 1 more here. So draw 1 little line down. Alright, so there's a lot of little details. Okay, so for the other side, same thing, elbow, 1 line across, and then this one's just gonna follow that line. Little panel there. The bicep, 1 line, and then slant out. And then again on the shoulder, just 1 line right there. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty cool, but it's a lot of little tricky slants. So now let's move on to her legs. So come down in the middle, make a little mark there. And then here we're gonna continue this line, we'll come out, just kind of pinch it in, come down, pinch it in all the way to the knee. And then for the knee, we're just gonna close this off. And for the knee pads, this one's easy, so we're just gonna come down, and then again, we're just gonna close it off. And then we'll add in a little bit detail inside. So just drawing a little rounded rectangle inside. Alright, so then on the other side it's going to be the same. So we'll come out, use the other side for reference. Come down, and then on this side, inside down, pinch it in. Knee pad just go up, and on the side here, just come down straight. Then we gotta close this off. And then again on inside, a little rounded rectangle. Okay, and then for her lower leg, we're just gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna come out, pinch it in, and close it, and then we're just adding a little dome shape here. Close it off, and then just a little bit of sole. Okay, same thing on the other side. So we're gonna come out, pinch it in. So use the other side for reference so you know how long to make the legs. Close it off, and dome shape. Come out more on this side. Close it off, and then a little bit of sole. And then let's come back up here. There's some details here. Right on the hip area, we're just gonna come out, just follow this slant here. And then from here, we're just gonna go straight down. So straight down across. And then here we're gonna come down, come out, straight down. And then let's add a little bit more detail here on the sides. And that is it for this Criterion skin in Fortnite. It's definitely a very cool looking mech. So hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.